Hi guys! Today we will be looking at the Frayer model, the four-square model type. The Frayer model is a graphic organizer used to help students understand new vocabulary and concepts deeply. A Frayer model helps students in understanding and clarifying the meaning of vocabulary words they come across while listening, reading, and viewing text. It can be used before reading to tap into prior knowledge, during reading to keep track of vocabulary, or after reading to check their understanding of new words. It involves dividing a page or chart into 4 sections to explore definition or meanings, what the word or concept means, characteristics, key features or facts about it, examples or synonyms, words or situations that fit the concept, non-examples or antonyms, words or situations that do not fit the concept. We can divide the Frayer model into the 4 parts we think our students need extra support. For example, you must have, though, the definition or meaning, characteristics, for example, parts of speech, descriptions, examples or synonyms, non-examples or antonyms, pictures or images or illustration or drawings, sentences, facts, and as I mentioned before, part of speech. Here's an example of a Frayer model. So it has 4 sections. And in the middle would be the word that the student or students are focusing on. And please note that a copy will be in the description for you free. What researchers say? The Frayer model is effective for vocabulary acquisition and comprehension. Research shows that using graphic organizers like the Frayer model helps students connect prior knowledge to new learning, promoting retention. It aligns with the Marzano's research-based vocabulary strategies, emphasizing examples and non-examples to clarify meaning. Studies indicate that explicit vocabulary instruction using tools like the Frayer model improves reading comprehension and academic achievement across content areas. Benefits of the Frayer model: build strong vocabulary knowledge by going beyond memorizing definitions. Develops critical thinking as students identify what a word is and what it is not. Support deeper concept understanding, essential in subjects like math, science, and social studies. Help students organize information visually, improving memory and retrieval. How does it work? The teacher introduces a new vocabulary word or concept. Students write the definition in their own words. They note down characteristics or attributes of the word or concept. They list examples that illustrate it correctly. They list non-examples to clarify what it is not. Discussion and sharing reinforce understanding. Important points to remember. The Frayer model is a structured visual strategy to teach vocabulary and concepts. It helps students define, describe, and apply words meaningfully. Researchers recommend it for building deep, long-lasting understanding essential for academic success. Thank you very much, everyone. I truly hope this video was helpful. Please remember that a free copy of the Frayer model will be in the description just for you. There will also be links to other videos to help you with reading and also grammar. And don't forget that our decodable readers are available on Amazon. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!